I have to make some new screws. I don't know whether you can see that, but there's no slot there whatsoever. I've measured them, they're 10 BA. 1.6 mil was a little bit sloppy. 1.7 is a bit too tight, so the nicest one is a 10 BA, but they hold the bezel on this Kaiser Universe clock, but they've all been chewed up a bit. I've managed to get the other two out easy, or relatively easy, but I'm going to make 3 new ones with decent slotting. Not only to make it easier for me to put back together, but easier for people to take it apart next time. I've got some 2.5 mil brass, and basically I'm just turning the short length of it down to 1.7, putting a taper on the end because they're countersunk, and then tapping it. Nice easy job to do for a change. I think we need a sharper graver. That one ain't much better either. I think I need to have a sharpening session. I'll find a sharp one in a minute. Right, better. They're only about 5 minutes long. 5 minutes? 5 mil long. See what that measures. .9. It's a little bit short as well. I think I need to lengthen it a little bit. See what that is now. Oh. 1.73. just a shaving off. Right, now put a taper on it. And we'll just undercut it slightly there. And then it's just a matter of tapping it. Always put it in the tail stock, because I pretty well guarantee it's lined up then. Just finishing it off. I think that's close enough up to the edge. I'll just check it. Yeah. I'm going to saw it off because it's a bit easier to saw off than it is to part with a little bit like this. Now I should just put it in there. I coll it the other way around, just face it off, and then put a slot in it. Lost it. Oh, I found it. Basically, that's the screw made. Just got a. Oh, can't see that, I don't think, can you? Okay, we're all set up now to put the slot in, the little screw. Basically, it's just a pin vise in the tool post, and it's just a matter of gently feeding it in. You get the depth you want. I think that's probably deep enough. Doesn't need to be massively deep. Yep, that will do nicely. Just got the other two to do now, and hopefully I can start cleaning the movement up and getting it back together. Thank you very much.